I guess today let's discuss again the DEX, and also this Global Trading Championship starts in 9 days, 21 hours as of recording this video. And then again guys, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current closed captions, just click the closed captions and then settings and select your preferred language. So today guys, let's discuss DEX. We can explore and trade millions of tokens across top chains. So dito guys, merong nangunguna itong Sachi, merong Check which is base, CJN. We can also view more dito. Ayan, we have this X layer as well. And today, we'll just want to share some insights dito, like for example, adding indicators gamit yung applications guys. Kasi dami nagtatanong dito kung paano mag-add ng indicator gamit yung app. For example, this one, bigyan ko lang dito na example. Ayan. So, mapupunta tayo dito guys, no? And as we can see, napaka-plain niya lang. Ang nakalagay lang dito is yung default sa app, no? Ito makikita natin. And we can just simply remove yan, like by clicking this one, also clicking this volume. So if we want to like add more indicators, we can just select trade, and then dito sa taas merong chart icon. Ayan. So pwede tayo dito guys mag-add, no? Punta lang tayo dito sa my settings and then indicators, and like for example EMA, exponential moving average, we can select this one. This is only an example. We can only add like for example 15 EMA, like on EMA 1. So disable muna natin tong mga to, tapos let's set up the 15 EMA or maybe 20. Yan. Alright. So we can also select this one, pero ayan, pwede naman natin i-edit, no? So we can add multiple indicators dito and then click save. Let's go back. Ayan, and then let's go here, 15 minutes time frame. Ayan. And to enable it, you can just select EMA. Ayan. So ganito yung pinaka-indicators natin guys, no? So as we observe here, EMA is above. So this one is a bearish scenario on the 15 minutes time frame. On 1 hour, we can check. So still above the price action. 4 hours time frame, so it's on neutral territory. And also pala guys, no, itong mga ganto, like this is historical indicators, lalabas lang siya kapag mayroong executions. Pwede mo namang i-enable ito. Punta ka lang sa settings, and then historical orders guys, no, ito. So select mo lang ito, and then lalabas na yun, no. So for example, disable natin, untick natin ito. So mawawala siya doon, no. So balik natin, punta lang tayo sa settings and then historical orders. So lalabas na siya dito. So we just use here the 20 EMA. So 15 minutes time frame, nagkaroon siya ng consolidation, and we can observe from the previous price actions na trending like the past couple of weeks. So for example, 1 hour time frame, we can also cross-validate, like for example this one, price action is trending on the early time frame for the past couple of weeks, like around November 20, 21, and 22. Isa sa mga indicators ito na ginagamit natin, and like for example this one, it seems like the price action is on the downtrend on the 15 minutes time frame. We can also add volume. Ayan, also MACD. So for multiple oscillators. Ayan. So, yun. Hope you got some insights dito guys. Especially dun sa mga nagtatanong kung paano palabasin yung mga indicators. You can just add indicators gamit yung application. And paano palabasin yung may mga kagaya nitong S and B. So, for this scenario, lalabas lang siya kapag meron kang executed dito guys. And again, meron tayong mga videos nito. Itong video natin today guys is just for ideas lang, for reference, and educational para masagot ko na rin yung mga questions ninyo. It does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights lang dito guys. At itong application pala natin na ginagamit is on DEX, no? So it's a decentralized exchange. under the DEX features dito. At kung meron pa kayong mga questions dito, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito guys. Pag-uusapan naman natin today yung isa sa mga events na kung saan I would say it's my self-development. It's a competition, it's a tournament. So let's go here. Ayan, so championship starts 9 days Meron dito mga leaderboard, yung boosters, I think ay available na rin ito, ongoing na yung boosters So for example, during day 1, ayan, day 2 you can get like a gift dito that you can crash blocks You can also reveal the piece for the rewards. So right now, ito yung active na yung boosters is active na. And let's go down. 1 MUSDT pala dito guys yung pinaka rewards amount up to. So let's go down for the championship leaderboard. So Team PNL, qualified participants, we can check here. Individual PNL, and then new users PNL. So dito guys Team PNL is like yung pinaka prize pool depends pala dito sa participants the qualified participants. You can also check yung individual PNL dahil you can get dito individually kapag maganda yung pinaka PNL mo So there's also a users PNL. Ayan, so merong tier leaderboard dito guys So you can explore this one. Lalay ko na lang pinaka official link if you're interested sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. So this is a global trading championship na kung saan I would consider this one as my self-development. And for the past couple of years din dito, we've been competing. We've been joining this tournament for my self-development guys So yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.